Rusty with Rusty Rental here and DingoPower.com. Something new came out recently with the Toro TX1000. A few of you may have had issues where your bell housing bolts came loose or snapped. This is the bell housing that Toro has used for quite some time, aluminum bell housing. However, they have now came out with a cast iron bell housing. This new kit comes with a cast iron bell housing, the coupler and the union, and all new bolts as well. It's twice the weight as the aluminum. Most importantly, it does not expand like the aluminum one does, though the issue was the aluminum would expand and loosen the bolts. That bell housing is, walk over here, is right between the motor and the tandem pumps. On ours, we paint the heads of the bolts yellow just so it's a quick, easy inspection point to make sure that the bolts are in there and tight. We're offering those cast iron bell housing kits at dingopower.com. Please check us out and reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.